How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the static trigger in Geometry Dash, similar to this effect right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to place a block where you want the static to take effect onto. So any block will work, but in my case, I'll just use the common block right here. I'm going to place it this way. And then you want to click on Edit Group, add a free group ID. So since this is a new level, I'll select one. And then you want to click on extra and just enable two options, which is going to be no touch and the hide option. From there, this will basically be hidden. So just click on deselect, and then now we can add our static effect. So I want to start the effect from here, click edit object and just target the hidden object that we have placed. In our case, it's going to be the group ID number 1. And of course, you can apply something like easing effect, the duration, and more. So I'll just leave this at default. But the last thing that you want to do is to place another static onto the area where you want the effect to finish. So in my case, it's going to be on this specific area. Click edit object once more and just enable the exit static option. Click on OK, and if we play out our level, it should go ahead and look something like this, which looks really amazing. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.